Hello students, today's video is titled Absolute Value. So we're going to start with the definition of that. Really simple actually. So here's the definition. Absolute value is nothing more than a number's distance from zero on the number line. A number's distance from zero on the number line. And the symbol that goes with absolute value is right here. It's these two vertical bars, and you're going to put the number in between. So it's sort of like parentheses, but different because the bars are straight. So I'll show you how to do it right here. Find the absolute value of each number. Okay, you ready? So if you have two of these bars with an 8 in between, this is what they want you to find. They want you to think of a number line. And they want you to place 0 on it. And then they want you to go to this number 8. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right there, right? So they want you to think of, okay, here's 0 and here's 8. What's the distance between them? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is 8 units away from 0 on the number line. That's it. That's how easy it is. Check out number 2, the absolute value of -8. Okay, let's plot -8 on the number line. You ready? Go back here a little further. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -8, right? Plot a point there. Okay, what's the distance between them? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know we're going to the left, right? That's why that negative's there. But the distance is still just 8. The distance between them is still just 8. Okay, number 3, absolute value of 5. Okay, let's go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about the next one? The absolute value of -10. Well, if we were to come over here and plot -9, -10 would be right here. The distance between 0 and -10, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just 10. So it looks to me like even if we didn't have a number line, I think we could do this in our heads. Let's look at the next two. The absolute value of 0. How far away is 0 from itself? Well, that one's pretty easy. It's not. It's 0 units from itself. What about the absolute value of -3.7? How far away from 0 is that? Well, I hope you're thinking it's 3.7 units away. So that's all you do. So easy. Okay, the last slide here. Now, we can also work with inequalities when we do absolute value. So complete each inequality using greater than or less than. Let's look at the first one. So we have the absolute value of -26 compared to the absolute value of 30. So what you're going to have to do first, before you place the symbol in between, you're going to have to calculate these. So how far away from 0 is -26? I hope you're thinking 26 units. How far away from 0 is 30? 30 units. Now you can place the symbol. 26 is less than 30. Easy peasy. Number 2. Absolute value of -92 is 92. Absolute value of -114 is 114. Are you noticing distance is always positive? 92 is less than 114. Number 3. Absolute value of 511 is 511. Absolute value of negative 500 is 500. 511 is greater than 500. And our last one for this video, the absolute value of negative 707 is 707, because that number is this far from 0. Absolute value of negative 628, 628. 707 is greater than 628. Amazing. Absolute value, a number's distance from 0. And remember, distance is always positive. If you look at all of these, this positive, 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 positive. So positives stay positive, negatives become positive because distance is always positive. You never, if you drive from here to the beach, you're not going to drive negative 160 miles. You're just going to go 160 miles. Or I shouldn't say the beach because the beach is east, but say we were going out to Pittsburgh. If you think about where we live, we live here, right? Here's Lancaster. Pittsburgh's out here, right? So let's say the distance is, I don't even know. Let's say it's 200 miles. I'm totally making this up. But we wouldn't say we drove negative 200 miles just because we're going west. We would just say, hey, we went 200 miles in the westward direction. Distance is always positive. All right. Thank you for watching and happy trails to you.